In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom domain to Shopify. We'll start inside your Shopify admin dashboard. Make sure you're logged in because everything we'll do happens right from the back end of your store. A custom domain is one of the simplest upgrades you can make to build trust and brand recognition. So let's get it set up correctly. From the dashboard, look to the bottom left and click Settings, then open the Domain section. Here you'll see your default myshopify.com address. While you can change parts of that default URL, it's not ideal for branding or marketing campaigns. A custom domain like yourbrand.com looks cleaner and helps customers remember you. Next, decide how you want to get your custom domain. The most straightforward route is to buy one directly through Shopify. Click Buy New Domain, search for a name you like, and follow the prompts to purchase. Shopify handles the technical setup automatically, which makes this the quickest option. Keep in mind, it can be slightly more expensive and a bit less flexible if you plan to transfer the domain away later. If you prefer a lower cost or want maximum control, you can buy a domain from a third-party provider such as Hostinger. This route is often cheaper and easier to transfer in the future, but you'll do a small amount of setup yourself. If you're using a third-party domain, return to Shopify and choose Connect Existing Domain. Enter your domain name exactly as you purchased it. Shopify will then show you the DNS settings you need. In your domain provider's dashboard, find the DNS or zone settings. Update the A record so it points to Shopify's IP address and set the C name record for the www host to the value Shopify provides. Remove any old A or C name records for the same host so there's no conflict. If you see a TTL setting, you can leave it as default or temporarily lower it to speed up propagation. After saving your DNS changes, head back to Shopify to verify the connection. It can take a few minutes and in some cases up to 48 hours for DNS to fully propagate. Once Shopify confirms the connection, choose Set as primary domain so your new address becomes the main URL for your storefront. Finally, save everything and test by opening your new domain in a fresh browser tab. You should see your live store on your professional branded URL. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials.